Is your phone refusing to forward calls or showing a connection error when you try? You're not alone. This problem frustrates millions of users, and the fix is simpler than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to permanently fix the call forwarding connection problem on any Android phone. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Dial up 21, that's #21#. Open your phone's dialer and type ##21#, then press the call button. Why this works? This code is used to deactivate any existing call forwarding settings on your SIM card. Sometimes hidden or outdated call forwarding rules cause errors or block proper call routing. This clears them out completely and gives you a fresh start. Step 2. Call 413#. Next, dial *413 and tap call. Why this works? This USSD code helps activate or reset the default call forwarding and call-in services, depending on your network provider. It's especially useful if call forwarding was turned off by mistake or due to a system error. Step 3. Set your network mode to auto. Now open your phone's settings. Go to Settings, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type, set it to 4G, 3G, 2G Auto, or LTE 3.2G Auto, depending on what's available. Why this works? If your phone is locked to a single network mode, like 2G or 3G only, it may not support call forwarding properly. Setting it to auto ensures your phone switches to the best network available, which stabilizes voice and forwarding features. Step 4. Restart your phone. Once you've done the steps above, go ahead and restart your phone. Why this works? A reboot refreshes your network registration and applies all the changes you just made. It also clears any temporary glitches that might be interfering with your call services. After restarting, test your call forwarding again. It should work perfectly now. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and if you're still facing issues, tell me your network provider and phone model. I'll reply with tailored advice. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more smartphone fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.